Give me a hell yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Wednesday, and you know what that means. It's now time for our early access review dito sa This Wednesdays with Viva, only on Harriet. And today we are going to be reviewing we're going to do an advanced review of Pilia. This movie will be released sa Viva Max this Friday, September 20. But I have early access using Viva Max Plus, and it is currently available there for rental price $4.99 for 3 days. Ayun. So Pilia is featuring Cesc Garcia and Jessa Garcia. Meet the Garcias. And this woman right here, Dani Yoshida. So she's a new Viva Max artist. So let's give her a warm welcome. And let's judge how she performs in this setup dito sa mature environment ng Viva Max. Okay, so yeah, if you want more of your bold review, paki-like na lang po ang video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa This Wednesdays with Viva, only on Harriet. At ayun nga po, this is like the second review for this week. Yesterday we have published the review of ano nga ba yung review? Paluwagan. And today we are going to be reviewing Pilia. And then on Saturday night's main event, we will be taking a look at Kiskisan. So there's a lot of happenings here in Viva kasi busy ako with the coming few days. Busy ako sa Friday, PCO next week. So, in advance ko na yung mga reviews natin. Ngayon, Pilia, this movie is very very short. It's also 1 hour long. Pero unlike Paluwagan where the story just carries over, dito there's a lot of things that have happened. And one thing na masasabi ko dito is Pilia has some music. I'm not certain if parang pareha sila nung iba pang mga one Tuesday movies ng Viva Max. I need to do my research. Pero they're using the same music, yung din 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 din. Yung ganun nga beat. Whenever you are near. Basta yun, lagi ko napapansin yun eh. I wish they make those music kind of subtle, kasi background music lang siya, and not overpowering the scene, you know. Okay, so another thing na mapapansin ko is, I guess, Private Tutor. I think Private Tutor also has the same background music, and they got sponsored by Playtime. So I just noticed this dito sa pelikula to, but I think I recall when I reviewed Private Tutor, there is this gambling app na feature dun sa pelikula, and I believe it's the same gambling app na feature sa Pilia. And I think ma-feature tong gambling app na to. I think it's called Playtime. Every time it's flagged or featured sa opening ng pelikula. Yeah, so there is an obligatory parang plug ng Playtime ads. Korpa. may pa-korpa na pala dito sa ano eh. May pa-korpa na dito sa Viva Max eh. Basta sugal eh, no? Ayan. Okay, so Pilia, English word mischievous. So we get to know Dahlia here, who is a rich girl, at ang kanyang wannabe bestie na si Jules. Jules is secretly in love with Dahlia since they are kids. Magkababata sila, pero si Dahlia kibit balikat lang. Upset. comes to the realization na si Dahlia isn't all that kay Jules, na parang ginagamit lang. And when they were having a sleepover, nagdala si Dahlia ng lalaki, si Nick, para siya ay makipagtalik sa kwarto ni Jules. Unknowingly, si Jules nakikinig habang nagtatalik si Dahlia saka si Nick, at dito pleasure ni Jules yung sarili niya. Okay, inom lang akong coke. Okay. Nung pleasure ni Nick nung pleasure ni Jules yung sarili niya, she begins to go into this dreamscape kung saan daydream niya na yung itsura ng pagtatalik ni Dahlia sa kanong kasama niya. And we get to see this dreamscape in several times in this movie. Ayun. So, cut in the act, natapos yung pagtatalik ni Dahlia sa kaninik. Cut in the act na nakita na datnan ni Dahlia itong si Jules na pinipleasure or pinaglalaroan yung sarili niya. Dahlia has a clique sa eskwelahan. Yung dalawang mataba, I believe their name is Kate and Andy, I think. And medyo chismosa sila. So, pandang muli ng pelikula, malalaman natin gano'ng kagrabe yung chismis pag-spread sa dalawa na to, ha? Okay. So, nag-chismis sila, si Dahlia, may isa siyang character trait na mahilig siya magkwento. So, kwento niya yung nagtalik sila ni Nick, at kwento niya na si Jules, pinaglalaroan yung sarili niya habang nagtatalik sila ni Nick. Tapos, we go into this to this situation where we meet Chester Grecia's character, si Sir Lopez. Same name ng physics professor ko for half a semester. Yeah. Buti pinasa ako, no? Yeah. Who is also expelled sa universidad kasi ng manyak ng estudyante sa PLM. Saktong-sakto yung pangalan, no? Okay. Sir Lopez is dominant, and this turns on Dahlia. The school has a strict no makeup policy, so pinalabas siya si Dahlia, si Kate, si Andy. Tama si Jules, dahil gusto niya maging bestie ni Dahlia, sumunod na rin kahit hindi siya pinalabas nung Sir Lopez. So sa bathroom, Dahlia formulates or composes a story na nagtatalik sila ni Sir Lopez after quiz. Kasi kung bagsak ka daw sa quiz, papaiwan ka daw ni Sir Lopez sa klase. So, nagnanarrate itong si Dahlia habang na paano siya nakikipagtalik kay Sir Lopez through this dreamscape vibe. So, Dahlia is quite a storyteller, and Jules is quite have creative mind. Medyo may imagination siya. We then meet Nessa, who is a daughter of an ambassador. Nessa is as Michibus, kasing pilya siya ni Dahlia, and they quickly became best friends. Paano? So, there was a graded recitation, nagtaas ng kamay si Nessa, gusto mag-CR. Dahil transfer student siya, di niya alam sa yung clinic or CR, sinamahan siya ni Dahlia. Ito si Jules, gusto rin sumama, pero pinigilan ito ni Sir Lopez. So, Dahlia and Nessa off-screen use the time to hide in the woman's cubicle, and we get to see or know how mischievous or pagkapilya itong ni Nessa. That she likes old men, like she sees sausage pictures, she forged her age to enter this dating app. Ganyan. Of course, it's not shown, pero parang kwentong barbero ang tingin ko sa pinagsasabi ni Nessa. And one thing na kwento ni Nessa is that Dahlia actually tells the story to Jules. With Jules' imagination, we get to picture the situation. Nessa actually flirted with her tutor, and yun. Next day, Nessa hangs out with Dahlia, naiwan tuloy si Jules, and Jules alone in her bedroom tries to pleasure herself again, but her worst fears come when sa kanyang Dreamscape, pumasok itong si Nessa at siya yung mas pinili ni Dahlia. And then the two boys, yung tutor ni Nessa, kung tawagin ay Paul, saka si Nick, sumama. Then there had a foursome. At itong si Jules, na left out. So Jules has the fear of being left out naman. So we go to this to the climax of the story. Almost at the end, there was a quiz. Nessa purposely failed the quiz para magpaiwan siya kay Sir Lopez. And then, curious itong si Dahlia na nangyari. And she rather hang out kay Jules. Dahlia wants to know what happened with Nessa. So they exited out. Kasama sila. Napag-iwanan si Jules. And Jules met with Kate. Kate said, ano daw nangyari? Nakita daw niya si Sir Lopez nagsara ng kurtina habang kasama si Dahlia sa detention. Yeah, so sa detention si Nessa, sorry. Nagsara ng kurtina si Sir Lopez habang naka-detention itong si Nessa. And this is where Jules said that Nessa has a thing for older man. Yun ang sinabi ni Jules. May thing si Nessa sa older man. In-interpret ni Kate as Nessa had sex with Sir Lopez at nagkalat like wildfire. So it went to Nessa had sex with Sir Lopez inside the classroom, to Nessa holding hands with Sir Lopez in the parking lot and have sex in the car, to Nessa, Dahlia, and Jules have a foursome with Sir Lopez. Of course, this wasn't taken lightly by the faculty, and Sir Lopez got suspended, which prompted the beginning of the movie, Jules admitting na siya yung nagkalat ng chismis. So, what happened is Jules got suspended, pero iniwan siya ni Dahlia, ni Nessa, at ng mga at ng barkada niya. And it turns out, Dahlia knows that Jules is in love with her, pero wala. The feeling isn't mutual, and they're all fake friends. They're all snakes. I hate snakes, especially the human ones. Kawawang estudyanteng, kawawang Jules. Pero nilapitan siya ni Sir Lopez, apology accepted, and Sir Lopez actually gave a piece of advice to Jules that she is a woman of integrity and she can have a friend with Lopez, and the goodness will karma back to her. And yeah, that's how Pilya ended. Yoshida, I expect to see more from you. You're a good kisser. Magaling ka umalik. You have nice legs. You should pair up with Angelicang someday para meron tayong Asian na ano. Pero that's a good showing. That's a good showing for a first timer. It's not as flaunty as Sky Gonzaga, pero I know that the nervousness is there. So yeah, pwede naman natin ano yun eh. Pagbigyan, bago, you got the butterflies in your stomach. You need to loosen up, okay? You played stiff during this movie. But, I say, you have a strong showing naman. And I'm going to give Pilya a very respectable nasa uring ganap tier with the best mature scene sa pelikula being the foursome in the dreamscape. Yan. Saturday night's main event, Kiskisan. I have purchased 1,000 ginastos ko para sa Viva Max Plus. Hayop yan. Kala ko ngayon yung Kiskisan. Kung sinurchase ko. Yung pala Pilya pala. Okay. So yeah, antabayan sa Sabado, review ng Kiskisan. And wala tayong review for next week. Kasi lahat na review for next week ay na-review na this week. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bang!